Are you irreplaceable as a leader on your team? Are you sure? Hey, good day. This is Lauren Schieffer, the Colonel's daughter, with today's Kernel of Wisdom. The Colonel said, "Don't consider yourself irreplaceable. No one is irreplaceable, kiddo. In fact, if you are doing your job, you are constantly trying to create your replacement. The primary objective of leadership is not accomplishment. It's not building numbers or dollars or figures or accolades. The true goal of leadership is building up new leaders. Your job as a leader is to replace yourself. And the more times you can do that, the better. When the late Mary Kay Ash designed her cosmetics company, it very quickly became a model upon which all reputable modern-day direct sales companies were modeled. Mary Kay knew that if someone achieved the position of sales director by recruiting consultants into the company, but did not encourage those recruits to become directors themselves, eventually that director would have a unit too large to lead. More importantly, when she retired, her unit would be without a leader. With that in mind, she established a career path that encouraged her leadership to spin off additional directors from their units, or they could not move forward any further up the ladder. By consistently working to replace themselves, directors could build and grow multiple capillary leaders to share the load. By helping others grow first, they moved ahead and received greater rewards, while their recruits also moved ahead and received greater rewards, and the company grew exponentially. As leaders, it's our job to give each member of our team the opportunity and the resources to grow into their own leadership style. Now, some will rise to the challenge and others will not, but all should be given the opportunity. Your reputation as a leader will grow in proportion to the number and quality of new leaders who rise with you. This is Lauren Schieffer, the Colonel's daughter. Have a great day.